Forget about music festivals and all those sports competitions.
In July, the most exclusive event on Earth isn't in a stadium, it's on the runway here in Hampshire.
Welcome to Farnborough 2026. I'm Julia.
I'm Paula.
And I'm Pia.
And we are your reporters for the week.
We're going airside to track our biggest VIPs.
Very important planes.
And VIRs.
Very important rotorcraft. Get ready to see our stars up close. The Airbus A350, the A321XLR, and the H160, which connect the world.
The A400M providing tactical and strategic airlift to protect what matters.
The new U-145, an uncrewed helicopter for cargo missions, and our drones.
This and a lot more innovation that inspires the next generation.
Get ready for blue carpet interviews,
Daily updates,
and exclusive access to one of the biggest air shows in the world.